Hello students. Hello students. This is a video for your chapter known standard. This is a second part of the chapter a train station for a student. This is a second chapter, second part for this chapter known standard. In the last part we have read in the morning news that train runs just for one student, and it was a matter of joy for the villagers, and all the Japanese citizens also praised to the government, to the railway corporation, to provide such type of facility. But the newspaper reports had reported this news in different type of words. The study we have completed this report, first morning news, and now we will start the second report, the noon standard. You see here, Japanese train firm goes extra mile for single passenger. This is the heading of this newspaper. Japanese train firm goes, निश्चित तौर पर दृढ़ रूप से जाती है जापानीज ट्रेन एक्स्ट्रा माइल चलती है फॉर सिंगल पैसेंजर, सिर्फ एक पैसेंजर के लिए. नाउ सी 11 February 2016 at 7:04 a.m. sharp a train stops at the remote Kushiraki station in the far north of Japan to take on a single passenger, a student on her way to school. You have read this location. This is the news of 11 February 2016. It was the time of 7 o'clock in the morning. 7 o'clock the train stops at the station. The place is situated in the far north of Japan, and only there was a single passenger. This was a student on her way to school. It has been bringing her home at 5:08 p.m. every single working day for last 3 years. And for last 3 years, this train provided facilities to this girl. In the morning, the train stops there to get her, and at evening the train stops at 5:08 p.m. to leave her. She may be the only person on the train, but it lets her continue her education without inconvenience or a break. And this student is only one person who suffered by the train, who traveled by the train, but it lets her continue her education because there was no convenience. So she don't feel any inconvenience or a break. So the train was providing such type of facility to her. This story by China CCTV News went viral, and the operator of the line, the Hokkaido Railway Corporation, has been acclaimed is praised publicly for its heart-warming, caring gesture towards a customer. When China's news made it viral, then the Hokkaido Railway Corporation was praised, appreciated by all the Japanese people, by all the people who saw this news for this great task, great work done by this corporation. The railway company had planned to shut the station down 3 years ago since it was hardly used. And this railway company had made a plan to shut the station 3 years ago when this little girl was not traveling by the train, since it was hardly used, because at that time it was rarely used. Then it was brought to their notice that one student was still using the train every school day. Meanwhile, the news spreaded there, and they got the news that there is a one student who will travel by this train every day. Hokkaido Railway Company decided to keep the station open for the girl until she completed high school. And then this company decided to provide the facility to make stop the train at the station until she could complete her high school. With civil at the end of the school year in March, the authorities are likely to close down the station on March 26 this year. And her education year was ended in the March time, but the authority made it continue to close down the station on March 26 this year. A post on a popular social media site said that this is a long-term investment in the young that will be repaid when the young woman starts working. And on a social media, this news was published that this is a long-term investment for a single student. If a railway company is investing a large amount every day for her, this is a great investment for her, and that will be repaid when the young woman starts working. And wished business and leaders in other countries would make a similar commitment to education and the public. And this social site also wished that the businesses and leaders in other countries also would make a commitment like this Japanese railway company to provide education, to provide facility to the public. And while the story has brought accolades for the railway firm, it does highlight the population crisis that Japan faces. Accolades means applauded by the people. When this story brought, at that time it was accolades, it was applauded for the railway firm that it makes such type of work. It was also highlighted the population crisis that time Japan was facing. Services on 20 railway lines have been recently stopped in Hokkaido. At that time, about 20 railway lines have been stopped the services. The most northerly of Japan's 4 main islands, and for the 4 main islands who were situated belonged in northern Japan, there about 20 railway lines had stopped the service. That was the place related in Hokkaido. The population in this remote part of the country is falling more rapidly than the national average. And in this area, the population was decreasing very rapidly because there was no conveyance, no facility. So, due to lack of facility in this area, the people started to leave the place, and very soon the population was decreased on a large scale there. The forecast is that by 2060, Japan's population will decline by as much as one third. And it was a great news, a great survey collected by the government that at the time of 2016 the Japanese population declined one third. The majority of the people from the countryside will move to the city. And when people found that they will suffer to live at that particular place due to lack of facility, many people decided to leave the place and they began to move towards the cities area, because now it was unbearable for them to spend the time in that particular area. Cities making housing, they also started to make their shelter there and rail services redundant. And now when they left the place, now there was no requirements for those person for the rail services. Now it was not useful, there was no requirements for them at that time when they also stayed in cities and to left their village forever. So this newspaper had reported the news for the girl and the train in this way. I hope you will be confirmed to read it. Thank you.